We continue to see some bands of very heavy snow, which I'll show you here in a moment. But I think probably the first thing we should do is take a look around the tri-state since we have so many cameras in our arsenal. So as you look at it, you'll see all of that sleet. Looking at our Versailles camera over there in Ripley County, you folks have got some icing going on our camera. Batavia, you'll notice out at our airport, that's on top of our Doppler radar. That one lone car there, up two now. You'll notice up in Mason, nobody's tracked anything around the Eiffel Tower there. And as we look at a few more cameras, these are all in northern Kentucky. You'll notice the Covington camera, that's looking south as we look at the cut in the hill. And there's Newport there toward the bridge and down by Turfway in Florence and over at NKU in Highland Heights. And you can see all of that icing that has happened. And now we're going to see bands of snow develop as we go forward. Again, as we look at it, it's a very slow development, and I'll explain why here in a moment. But we still have, see the darker blue shades? Those are all good moderate bands of snow, and they'll be pushing toward us again very slowly, but moving through the night tonight. 24 degrees in Cincinnati. It's 32, though, in Maysville and West Union. I mentioned this earlier. There's still some reports of freezing rain down there. So those folks, anywhere from Dry Ridge over to West Union, it is going to be even more icing. And of course, that is all going to harden up. Now, when you see the darker blue shades, that generally means some moderate snow is falling. Now, some icing may be mixing in there. Right at the moment, though, it looks like about a ½ an inch of snow up here in Warren County, just on the other side of Lebanon. You folks in Westchester at about a ½ an inch or so. As we slide down, things get a little heavier by Lawrenceburg and Cleves and Harrison. All of this is falling as snow. You'll notice up by White Oak and Springdale, just on the other side of Reading, about a ½ an inch. So this is really going to come in here, and it's just, probably about 30 minutes away from hitting downtown. This is the separation line. The blue that you see is that mixed precipitation. And then as you look back toward the gray, the whites, that's all the snow to give you some separation. So why do we have so much sleet? Well, what's hung in here is this. We have a band of very warm air just above the surface. And because of that staying in place, we've had a tremendous amount of sleet. Let me ask Tanya here. She rates me. Tanya, have you ever seen this much sleet?
No, I feel like this is an extraordinary amount for our region. You know, we don't see this like this.
I couldn't agree more. I mean, I just have never seen anything like this. And, you know, over the last couple of decades, we've had some sleet and pretty good, but nothing like this. I mean, some folks have got as much as 2 or even more inches of sleet. So what's happened is the Arctic air that's pushing in hasn't eroded or gotten rid of this big warm middle layer. So as it's falling out, crystalled out of the clouds, it melts, refreezes, and we're getting all of that sleet at the surface. And until that happens, we're not going to see the snow, but it's happening now just slowly. Here are the conditions around the area, and this is no good really. The wind speeds are in the 20s. These are sustained speeds now. So we've seen a number of trees, limbs, and other problems start to develop, and I don't think we're done yet. As you look at it, this is future view cutting through the next several hours to 11 o'clock, showing how that blue line, meaning the snow, starts pushing past Boone, Kenton, Campbell, most of Claremont, and the panhandle of Brown and some of Highland. Then that kind of line continues to push southward. We start really losing that sleet except down to the southeast. And then across the really greater Cincinnati area, we're talking about snow overnight, generally light, with a few bands. You'll see the darker blue cutting through the area overnight, and that's where we'll pick up our inches of snow, where 3 or 4, maybe as much as 5 around here by morning, and then you'll see how it's gone as we head past 8 or 9 o'clock. So as we bring you back home here, 17 degrees in the morning to 26 as a high. We may pick up even another inch in the morning. Then we're going to clear out on our 9 first warning weather alert day Friday, and so by Friday night we drop to 3 and 27 on Saturday, finally rising above freezing on Sunday, guys.